How to generate and check your laptop battery health with battery cycles, battery information power, and 100% correct fully detailed report using with only Windows option. Click on Start and type CMD. Then enter to open CMD. Type power CFG space / battery report and then click on enter button. They give location that your battery report is saved. You can follow up this location. Open this PC and go to C drive, then find users, go to Acer, and you have battery report in here. If you difficult to find this location, open this PC and go to C drive, then type in here battery report HTML to search your file. This is your battery report file. They give fully detailed report of your battery design capacity, full charge capacity, and cycle counts, recent usages, and graph chart usage history, and all detail about your laptop battery. Thank you for watching.